Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're not going to be long today. So this project right here, I just finished it off. I did a video, but I didn't really like the video. And since I had finished off this necklace, the clasp and everything, I just decided to do like a show and tell. And this is the back of it. This is like 16 inches, cat's eye with purple flower beads and silver tone seed beads, and I used 2 crimp tubes the easier way and 2 6mm jump rings to finish it off. I think it turned out pretty good. Now, it took me so long with this one because I ordered these from a place called Jewelry Supply, and it took them almost 3 weeks to get this to me, and I'm like, really? So this was during the shut with the port and all that good stuff, and I still think they got something else going on with it because now other packages are taking. Well, I don't have any more. I got one more coming, but other than that, that's it for now. But I made this 16-inch and this pendant. I made this pendant out of resin and crushed quartz. I have amethyst in here. I also got some copper in there, which would be considered like a C-H-I energy pendant. Now, the things that I make now will be in my little place that I'm waiting to open up. So I'll say, leave it just like that. And once I get in and get it open, then I'll come on and broadcast more and more about it and, take pictures as I fix it up. But, so I figured that's how, that way probably is better for me to sell face-to-face or whatever than the way I've been going about it. I don't know. We're going to see how that take us. But if you want a simplified way to make your necklaces instead of doing the crimp tubes and crimp beads, this would be an easier way. But you see how I laid in that little 2mm pink bead, 4mm pink, and then I went with a 2mm. So you could open it up and close it really good. You open it and you close it pretty good. Because I don't like mine to be too beady. Had the big beads right there. I don't like that. I like this look right there to give it a relaxed look. But thank you for coming to my channel, and thank you to the new subscribers. And if you feel like it, go over to my other channel, capital JUST space capital VAL, just Val. We having fun over there. And I also made 2 bracelets, which will fit probably up to a 8.5 to 9 inch. That's how much stretch I put in these. And to complement it, what I did was, now when I make my projects, I'm trying to use all the beads up. If I buy 2 strands of bead or 3, I'm going to use them all up in one project, even if I have to add to it like this. So I made a cute little ring, which I thought turned out excellent. To go with it. So we're going to keep this going. It's like 4 minutes and some change, but I just wanted, to come and share, because I have been doing some things behind the scene also. And like I say, after the hurricane came, it just pushed everything aside. I put one of my friends up for like a week, and I had to take down, like I said, everything, and I put stuff everywhere. So now I got to go back and figure out where did I put everything. I don't have any order. I got to get some order going on up in here. I got too much going on. But anyway, guys. Oh, and Miss, oh God, I can't think her name because I have not been on my Sunborn Creations in a minute. But Vintage Inspiration. she gave me a shout out. So I got to go back through all of her videos for the past month, I think. Because she said, I shouted you out, but I'm not sure which video. So I wish she had just put it in her title or something or in her description. So I'm going to just put her name in my description. I guess that's okay. You could do that. Yeah, I think you can do that. So I just put her name in my, when I do this video, so she'll know that I gave her a shout out. But she's like a thrifter, go to the different thrift markets, and she makes some jewelry pieces, and she do a lot gardening. She do cooking videos, you know. So go check her channel out, Vintage Inspiration. She's a real sweet lady, and she's based out of ATL. So, yeah, she and I, you know, talk and tag each other on YouTube. So, and her pieces are vintage pieces. She like vintage pieces, whereas I do like, you know, fashion jewelry. I got a few vintage, but basically I do fashion jewelry with some authentic stones at times. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming to this video, and go check out Vintage Inspiration. But gosh, I can't think of her name. But she's real sweet, really, really a sweet lady. But thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.